starting out at Mohegan. Doing the same thing because it is tied again. Back and forth, a real slugfest. I thought in round 5 with Mom, a knockout hand pay would happen, but it didn't. It didn't happen in the repeat, except Mohegan won, then Foxwood won, and now we're tied again. So, we're gonna start at Mohegan this time. We got 15 spins at Triple Diamond. We're gonna go play Chainsaws and Toasters, and of course, Double Diamond Deluxe. And then head over to Foxwoods and see what happens. Let's see if the knockout can come in round 7. Here we go. Nice start, thank you. Let's follow it up. Come on. Come on. Let's do it, TD. Thank you. Back to even. Oh. Got excited for a second. I'll take that bottom line. Come on. All right, time for the handle. Back to back. Nope. Come on, Triple Diamonds. Thank you. Let's keep it going now. Come on. Don't be stingy. I don't know. All right, I think it's gonna be the last spin. Yep. Taking 100 out, losing 50 bucks. Moving on to Chainsaws and Toasters. Cheers all. Right there, Chainsaws and Toasters. You know you're up against triple stars over at Foxy's. Let's see if 10 spins, excuse me, 15 spins, 10 bucks spin. At least, can make a little magic happen. Come on. Five times would have been nice. Where were you there 5 times? Come on. Going quick. Not even a line hit. And that took a long time to come around. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll take that. 250 bucks. We'll take it. Back to back. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh, right there, right there. Would have been it. All right. Thank you, cherries. Five times. All right, cherries. Give me some more extra spins. Come on. Ah. I think this is the last one. Yep. Taking out that $100 winner. Thank you, Chainsaws and Toasters. Let's see what Double Diamond Deluxe can do. All right there, Double Diamond Deluxe. Got 15 spins. We're up 50 bucks right now. It's been a while since I've won anything on you. So $200, $300, $400, I'll be happy. Let's do it. Here we go. Be nice. Come on. Make it a no-brainer. Come on now. Thank you. Back to even. Thank you again. 2 in a row, we'll take it. How about 3 in a row? Nice, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You rock today, Double Diamond Deluxe. Let's keep it going. 4 in a row? Oh, that came so fast. I was like, what? But not 4 times in a row. Oh, look at that tease. Look at that tease. Oh man, it's a $200 winner right now. But got to give it one backup spin just because. Yeah, I knew it. Gonna print it out anyway. 180 plus 50 equals 200 plus for Mohegan to be up by. Let's see what Foxwoods can do. Cheers, guys. Round 7 to be continued. All right, Foxwood. 230 bucks in the hole. Round 7. You're gonna take this round and take 2 rounds and maybe win this thing? Or is it gonna be tied again? Who knows? If it's tied again, I think I'm switching it up a little bit, guys. Gotta do something different. Maybe do 1 machine, 600 bucks. Who knows? We'll see what happens, and I'll see you inside in just a minute. All right there, Triple Diamond. Machine number 1, round 7 at Foxwood. You're down 230 now, Foxwood. Hopefully, hand pay knockout, because you're already up by 1 round. If we lose here, it's back to even. I'm definitely gonna switch it up, I think, next time for round number 8. But let's see what happens here. We got Triple Diamond, we got Triple Stars, and of course, Double Diamond Deluxe. 15 spins, 10 bucks a spin. Here we go. You weren't nice over at Mohegan. Maybe you could be nice here. Come on. That would have been sweet, as you know. Come on, Triple Diamonds, get on the line, please. Like right there would have been nice. Or right there would have been nice. Come on. Can I get a line hit, please? The handle? How about one more handle? Nope. Just like Mohegan. Hey, first win. 10 bucks. Come on. Last spin magic, miracle. Not this time, here too. Triple Diamond, you got me. Cheers all. All right there, Triple Stars. 15 spins here, maybe you'll be nice. You were nice in round 6. Let's see, be nice right now. Here we go. Let's see those 3 white 7s, but maybe substitute a triple this time. Come on. There it is. Just get on the line. Ooh. Come on. Not even a line hit. Come on. That would have been sweet. Going down quick. Come on, triple stars. That, I won't even say it. 2 more spins. Last spin. Miracle? Not even close, triple stars. Why am I feeling this is gonna be tied up in round 7? Double Diamond Deluxe, here we come. All right there, sit down version, Double Diamond Deluxe. We got 15 spins. You're down. We need something big like we got over at Mohegan. Actually, need it bigger. So let's make it happen. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Thank you. Got something. We'll take it. 200. That'll work. Back to back. Come on. Come on. Don't make that the only hit, please. Thank you, cherries. 2 more spins. Hey, come on. Come on, Double Diamond Deluxe. Let's do it, please. Thank you. All right, that was 20 plus spins. I'll be down 200 right now. Let's keep going. Come on, make it happen. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, man. That sucks. Nice, nice, nice. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you. 500. We'll take it. We will take it. Wow. Making it interesting now. All right, let's see. Back to back. Hey, cherries to the rescue. 2 more spins. Come on. Nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's up 600. This could be the, this could be it. Up 600. I'm pretty sure Foxwoods is ahead right now. But let's do a little bit more, right? Go down to 800. Ooh. Either way. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. All right, last spin. Oh, tease. We're cashing that out. Thank you. $500 winner. I think that Mohegan won this, but I will have to check the video and see. It looks like we're gonna have a round 8. Maybe we'll have to play Double Diamond Deluxe. I don't know. Let's see what happens, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll bring you some more action real soon. Cheers.
Hello again. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for choosing to spend your time with old school slots for all your casino slot entertainment. It really means the world to me. If you would, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up, it really helps out. And click that bell to stay notified so you won't miss any of the new videos. Cheers, and as always, I thank you for your support.